Welcome to the lesson on congratulations and good wishes. In English, we use these expressions to show joy and appreciation when someone achieves something or experiences success. Through this lesson, you will learn how to naturally express happiness and encouragement in different situations. The word congratulations is used when someone achieves an important goal or milestone. For example, you can congratulate a person who graduates from school or university. You can also use it when a friend gets a new job or a promotion. Other times include when someone gets married, when a baby is born, or when someone buys a new home. Each of these events calls for happiness and positive words. There are several ways to congratulate people in English. You can simply say congratulations, you did an amazing job. You may also say congratulations on your new role or congratulations on your wedding. When you want to praise a group, say congratulations to the whole team. Adding small details makes your message personal and meaningful. Besides using the word congratulations, there are many friendly ways to express the same feeling. You can say well done, nice work, great job, or that is fantastic. These are cheerful ways to recognize someone's achievement. Phrases like good for you or you must be proud sound supportive and genuine. Choose the one that fits the situation best. After congratulating someone, it is nice to include a good wish. For instance, you can say good luck, you will do amazing in your new role, or best wishes for your future success. You might add, wishing you continued happiness and growth. A kind phrase such as may your journey ahead be full of achievements makes your message even warmer and more positive. Let us look at how congratulations are used in real conversations. When someone says, I passed my final exams, you can reply, congratulations, you really deserved it. If a friend says, I got promoted at work, you can respond with well done, that is wonderful news. Another example could be, I opened my own bakery, and you reply, congratulations, wishing you great success. These expressions make your message natural, kind, and clear. Use the word congratulations when someone achieves something important or special. Make your message personal by adding words that show you care. Combine it with good wishes to express encouragement. Always keep your tone friendly and positive so your words feel warm and respectful. For example, you can say, congratulations on your new home, wishing you endless happiness there. Let us review what you learned. Use the word congratulations to celebrate success. Add good wishes to show kindness and encouragement. You can use short phrases like well done or best of luck, depending on the situation. Keep your message brief, warm, and sincere. With practice, you will naturally use these expressions to share in others' happiness and achievements.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.